Going. Okay, laundry time over here. Delicate colds. Let's start. So this is going to run for 28 minutes. That means I can set a timer for 28 minutes and then come back over here. And there we go. Got 28 minutes to spare. Where should I get going, you guys? Let's figure this out. I'm at Hong Kong Taste over here. This looks good. What should I get for breakfast? $4.25, I think that's a good deal. It went up. So let's see what is over here. This is a ham and cheese sandwich. Let's see. What's a Lipton? So we have milk tea, congee. Ooh, this is so nostalgic. Gelatinous thing. That's preserved egg. It might sound gross, but it's really tasty. And then here is my milk tea. It looks like it's just one Lipton bag with some, I'm assuming that black and white thing. And then maybe some sugar. I'll try it. It's good though. I haven't had a bad milk tea. And then let's try this. Just a regular ham and cheese sandwich. So, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this for later. Eat this now, and then afterwards go back to my laundry. I'm checking out this flea market, a liquidator. So it seems like they sell scratch and dent stuff. See that? These look like they're at a good price. September 2022. You can see I have a whole bunch of stuff around here. Tons and tons of things. It seems that they buy it by the pallet and then they just sell them. You know, Hawaii doesn't have any of this stuff. You know, these scratch and dent places. I think it's fascinating because it's like you get to see, you know, things that would have otherwise been probably tossed in the landfill. So I think these kind of scratch and dent places, they do a lot of good things. It helps people save money. It reduces things from going into the landfill. It's kind of like going on a treasure hunt, isn't it? Like you don't know what you're gonna find. I'm so used to jaywalking over here. See what's over here. Ooh, look at all this food. Doesn't that look good? Hold on. Ooh, look at that. It has little paper on it. Mexican ices, you guys. I haven't tried this out. Let's try it. Look at this. Have you guys tried any of this? I have never tried a chamoyada, but I've heard about it. I kind of want to try, but I think it's way too big for me to finish by myself. So I heard this one is good, and then the lemon one is good. Here are the sizes. So the pitaya one is that one. So it's a little bit more expensive. And then nieve is basically all these different flavors over here. And here is mine. So I got the little cup. I got the smallest cup. First time I've ever had a Mexican ice. So here it is. I try to bite. But this, it's a melon. But I think it's like a honeydew melon. And it tastes really refreshing. I don't know if you can see it, but the ice is super fine. Okay, so I am done here. This was a good little treat. I would definitely get it again. It was really nice. It was really refreshing. So if you guys haven't tried a Mexican ice, I would highly recommend trying. And then we got my gym over here. I gotta go work out. This kind of reminds me of a mango lassi, but it's lighter flavor. So it has chorizo, steak, and chicken in here. The outside is really good. It's really nice and crispy. It kind of reminds me of like a waffle, almost. The sauce is really making. I'm trying to figure out what sauce they're on. That sounds good. And with the drink. Okay, guys. I'll fix it later. I'm gonna finish eating. Trying new foods is really exciting. Let's go to the edge down there. Enter a vessel here. Let's enter the vessel. So you can see there was stairs over there, but it's closed off. So this is Hudson Yards. Let's go check it out really quick. Ooh, lottery. Just me, or these kind of creepy. Some people really like this. Hey, just wondering, which one's your most popular macaron?
Raspberry, what's that?
We got these macarons over here. They're from Lottery. I've heard about these, and it's my first time trying them. So, they were $2.95 each. I got the raspberry, and I also got the pistachio. You guys can try it. I'm gonna try the raspberry first. So, this is how it looks like. That's really good. I feel like I could eat like 15 of them. I've tried macarons before, but this one in particular, it's very soft. It's almost like it's underbaked. See? It's super soft. Let's try this one. That's really good. Imagine like pistachio flavor with lots of butter in it. That's basically how this is. Like you saw in the previous one, it's how it's underbaked. Same thing here. What would I rate this? I'd probably rate it a 10 or 9.5. This is really good stuff, you guys. I would highly, highly recommend trying this if you haven't tried it. I've always wanted to try it, but it's like a little piece of heaven. Thanks for sharing this day with me, or this night with me. Yeah, I enjoy looking at things, and I enjoy seeing things. There's such peacefulness just being able to like wander around these stores and just kind of like tune in with the, you know, what's going on and things like that. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And I want to see all these little mundane kind of stuff. Maybe you guys will like it. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later. I shall see you.